Hi there, Sarah Beth here from SarahBethYoga, the YouTube yoga channel to help you get fit, happy, and healthy through modern day yoga. Have you been wanting to try yoga, but you find that the videos online are just too hard or too fast? Or have you been practicing yoga with me for a while, but you still want to understand the basics and the fundamentals of yoga? I get it. Not all yoga videos are created equal, and some require a prerequisite of yoga experience, so the basics and the fundamentals can get lost. But we all know that practicing yoga regularly has amazing benefits like flexibility, strength, happiness, improved sleep, better posture, and the list goes on. So to make it easy for you to get fit and flexible while learning or relearning the fundamentals of yoga, I created the free 7-day beginner yoga challenge, and I want you to join me. The challenge calendar includes 10 to 20 minute beginner focused yoga videos that you can do in the comfort of your own home to help you de-stress, increase strength and flexibility, and most importantly, learn how to do yoga and feel confident in your yoga practice. I include plenty of modifications to make the poses more accessible to where you are now, so you can gain flexibility, strength, and mobility to excel in your yoga practice. Best of all, you don't even need anything to get started. You don't even need a mat. At the beginning of each video, I'll let you know if there are props involved, but they're always optional. So whether you're thinking about getting started with yoga, strengthening your yoga practice, or just getting stronger, happier, and healthier in 7 days, I want you to join me for my free 7-day beginner yoga challenge. Click the first link in the comments, then enter your name and email, and I'll instantly send you the challenge calendar and all the details. See you there.